SOLIDWORKS 2019 delivers powerful new productivity enhancements that make documenting your designs even faster. You can now create a slice section through the model at any location using the new Removed Section View command. Simply select two opposed model edges and a view is created perpendicular to the section line, eliminating the need to create any additional construction geometry. When manufacturing high-precision parts, detailed tolerances are critical to ensure that a high degree of accuracy is achieved. ISO tolerance modifying symbols and other text can now be added directly to dimensions and tolerances. Simply select the dimension, then use the new options available in the Property Manager to choose the desired modifier symbol for general or upper and lower limits. The resulting dimension contains all the necessary information required for high-precision manufacturing. Hole tables are a great way of displaying hole location and size information without having to use dimensions that would potentially make a drawing view cluttered and difficult to interpret. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces new options that deliver even greater flexibility over the way holes are tagged. Reduced toolpath calculates the shortest distance to connect all holes, providing the most efficient order from a manufacturing perspective. And radial tags holes in a radial pattern from the origin. In addition to tag order, tag type can now be manually defined, giving you total control over how holes are labeled. At any time, the tag for an individual hole or group can be changed with a simple right mouse button click over the cell, followed by assigning a prefix. These new options give you complete control over every aspect of a hole table's format and style. SOLIDWORKS' integrated design environment ensures that any changes to a model can be automatically propagated to its associated drawing. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2019, you can control the update of individual drawing views by simply picking one or more, then selecting the new Exclude from Automatic Update option in the Property Manager. With the Plan View section and its related detail views on the drawing sheet now excluded, we'll open the camera body part and increase the thickness of the rear flange to 13 mm. When switching back to the drawing, excluded views are highlighted with an orange hatched border and rebuild flags in the Feature Manager. When you're ready to update, just select one or more excluded views followed by the new Update View option from the shortcut toolbar. With SOLIDWORKS 2019, it's now easier than ever to manage updates to larger complex drawings. SOLIDWORKS creates highly configurable bills of materials directly from your assembly designs. In addition to the information displayed in the table, for added transparency, each component can be easily identified by displaying a graphical preview. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2019, when saving a bill of materials to Microsoft Excel, these component previews can be included in the Excel spreadsheet. The graphical preview provides even greater clarity, reducing the risk of identifying parts incorrectly. These are some of the powerful new productivity enhancements in SOLIDWORKS drawings that will help you get your designs documented faster.